like the way it's slowing down. Well done. Beautiful. See if anybody coming. Yes, we're going ahead a second into. Thank you. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Good. Nice. What sort of sign can you see?
Roundabout.
Okay, so a roundabout. We will be going ahead.
Okay.
Second exit.
Okay.
And Chisholm Walton Cross on the floor says A121. A121. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. So now, if you look at all these cars, yes, why do you think all of them slow down and stop?
Because it's busy.
That's it. Yeah. So why are you not going?
Because it's busy and it's not safe.
Absolutely, yes. So look, same as other, they've got a license, yeah. It's
Yeah.
not safe, it's not going. Same as us. If it's not safe, we don't go.
Yeah.
Safe.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Grab it done. And how's that?
Yeah, better.
Perfect. Good. Well done. You done better than me. I'm jealous now. Okay. So now, very soon, roundabout coming up.
Yeah.
We're going to be going third exit to the right. So
Okay.
fifth exit to the right. What do you need to do?
Change lanes, but not slow down.
Yes, yes. Okay, so the moment the car coming, yes?
Yeah.
So you can go now, because they flash you. Good, yes. Good, there you go. And you want to cancel signal now? Good, okay. Beautiful, good. So we're going to go fifth exit to the right side, yes? You want to have a go by yourself?
Yeah.
Good, exit number 5, okay? Good, to the right side. Thank you. It brings you back again, yes?
Yeah.
Thank you. Beautiful. Good. So how are we going to inform people where we're going?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you, that's fine. It's okay. So when the light is changed, how are you going to make sure you're coming to the right exit? What you need to do?
Stay on the right.
Good. But how do you know which one would be the exit number 5? What are you going to do to help
Count
you?
them.
Count them. There you go. Yeah.
Do I have to mirror too?
Yes, of course, yes. That's
Yeah.
good. Yes. You know it.
Yeah.
All. Good. Well done. That was, again, really good. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Yes? Good. Yes. So whenever change of speed, change of direction, always mirror signal. Yeah? Make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Beautiful. So what's the speed here?
40.
Good. Well done. Uphill we need a little bit more. Uphill. Yeah? Good. Again, when we get to the roundabout, I would like you to take the second exit straight ahead, okay?
Yeah.
Second exit, thank you. When it's safe to do so. Good, yeah. You deserve a clapping. Good, well done. How you feel now?
Yeah, good. More confident.
That's it. So now you can